Hello, it's Thomas again. Today I'm going to talk about regular expressions, in short it's Regex, and how it is useful for a SOC environment. So before I go to SOC, I will give a quick explanation on what is Regex and why it is used. Regular expressions can be defined as a set of strings or characters that's made for searching specific patterns in a text. For instance, when we sign up or register for a website as a user, they ask for our email. If we enter an invalid email in the form field, it displays as invalid email. To validate such patterns of an email, regular expressions will be used. Whenever we want to check whether an email is valid, we can match it with a pattern. So these are several uses of regex. Match patterns in strings, search for specific strings, rearrange parts of strings, find and replace strings, rearrange logs in a machine readable format, reformatting, input validation, validate zip code. So those are several uses of regex that I can come up with. In security operation centers, we use security information and event management tools for collecting, monitoring, and analyzing logs that are coming from various sources. These logs are in raw format and it comes with large set of strings. Log parsing is the process of splitting strings from those logs and rearranging them into a proper format. In a security operations center, sometimes it fails to pass logs directly into the SIEM tool. This can happen due to many reasons, but the most common reason I can come up with is some SIEM tools cannot understand the format of the log generated by some devices. So in that case, we have to manually create a set of rules with SIEM understandable format or a standard that can be used to rearrange the strings in a raw log file such as a syslog. So to do that, we have to use regular expressions, what we call as regex. I will use this online tool called Regex to show you demo so you can understand it much better. To do this, I will copy a raw line from a log file. So we have a cheat sheet here on the left side. You can refer to it when you write the regular expression. So this is where we write our expression. So if we have referred to this cheat sheet here, we have some categories along with what we can use in our expressions. In here, if we want to get this IP address, we have to write an expression. This symbol here to represent the start of the string. You can see it in here, start and end of the string. Open and close parentheses here. So it will represent a group of strings. We can put the range of these integers in here. 0 to 9. So the next part is index range. We have to specify here the first 3 indexes, 1 to 3. And now we have to group all these expressions with these brackets. Okay, sorry about this, I have done a mistake here. It should be other way around. We put brackets here to define this character class 0 to 9. Now we group all these with parentheses. So now in here we have selected the first 3 digits of our IP address. Also in here we have to have the special character, the dot. So now we have the dot also in here. In the next one, we have to capture the second part of the IP address and the third part. For that, we will put 3 inside these curly brackets. What this 3 inside these brackets means is to repeat the previous expression 3 times. So it will capture the first 3 parts of this IP address. Okay, in here, this bracket should come after the escaping characters. So now we have to capture the last part of this IP address. Write a pair of brackets in here, add like before, 0 to 9. Put the index here, like this, 1 to 3, inside these curly braces. Likewise, we can capture set of strings like IPs, URLs, emails, and in here we can find date, the time. So that's how we use regular expressions to capture specific strings. So this platform, this online tool is really nice, really easy one to practice this regular expressions. So you can easily learn this by redoing and practicing using this platform. So you have to learn and practice yourself to make you better at these expressions. So this is the end of this video. Hope you have learned something. Thanks for watching and have a good day.